Hey everyone friends, welcome to the Below channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer games from Epic Games. There's only one way to do this. Of course, there's no official way to transfer games because, well, it's just not possible. But you can still add the game to the Steam launcher itself. To do this, I'll open Epic Games. I'll use Fortnite as an example. So I'll go to the library here, find Fortnite, click the three dots, manage, and create a desktop shortcut. There it is. Next, I'll open Steam, click Add a Game, add a non-Steam game. Now, if Fortnite isn't showing up here, you can just click the Browse button, select Desktop, and find Fortnite there. I'll select all files, Fortnite, and click Open, then click Add Selected Programs. There you go. Now you can find your games in Steam. With Fortnite, this doesn't work very well. It works better with, say, single-player games like Rocket League, which I added here. I can play directly through Steam. That's all for now. This is Belor. Hit like, subscribe to the channel. See you all later.